Hello guys, welcome to this another vlog. So I'm going somewhere and where I'll let you know after some time. So stay tuned till the end. And yes, if people are not supporting me, you have to, then only we can grow. Alright, so please do like, do comments, and please share this video as much as you can with your friends. And this is our journey which about to start. I'll tell you how to reach that place, so don't skip and watch the video till the end. So people, this vlog is about a waterfall which is situated in I don't know the exact location, but it's called Bhedibahal waterfall, and it's approx 40 kilometers from Sundargarh bus stand. So you can use a Google map and follow the route, and it will directly take you to the destination. So it's easy, just follow the route by using Google map, so that it will easier for you to reach that particular location. So yes, and here you have to go with this Ujalpur bypass road, because there are lots of roads here and there, so no need to be confused. Use Google map and follow the road. You just have to go straight. And yes, those people loves nature, they will definitely like this video, because this video is all about nature and scenic view. I'll catch you after some time. Till that, enjoy the ride. And here, don't be confused, you have to go right, I mean this way. See the weather, it's about to rain. And yes, we are almost soaked because there was raining. As you can see, the road is totally wet. Finally, we're about to reach. It will take a few minutes. And yes, we have reached. This is the way. And you know the best thing is it's almost in the roadside. लगभग 200 मीटर होगा मेन रोड से अंदर जाने का रास्ता. So yes, just park your vehicle and follow this way and just enjoy the view, enjoy the waterfall. एंड येस, ये रहा वाटरफॉल, बट फ्लो उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है क्योंकि मैं जून में आई हूँ यहाँ पे. एंड आई थिंक रेनी सीजन में इसका फ्लो ज़्यादा होगा. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू सी द हैवी फ्लो देन मस्ट विजिट हियर इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त. दैट वुड बी बेटर, क्योंकि मानसून में व्यू कुछ ऐसा रहता है. एंड लुक एट दिस नाउ इन द मंथ ऑफ जून. काफ़ी थिक फॉरेस्ट है. So yes, that's all about this vlog guys. I hope you will like, and thank you for watching this video till the end. So please give a big thumbs up, and if you have visited this channel for the very first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon besides the subscribe button so that we can notified when I uploaded a new video. And yes, do support, do like, comment and share this video because it motivate me to make this kind of video more. So yeah, soon we meet in our next vlog. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.